Good morning, everybody, and this is your DAX day trade setups for today. There's nothing going on, to be honest. We are sideways. I think you should actually just draw those levels in. There they are. That's your range. Until we break out that range, you can't really expect anything to be happening. So you look at the 3 hour, we've had big up and then big down. And we are coming into an area, this is looking interesting, to be honest. So this level has been tested above the moving averages. Look at the oscillators. So we've got some diversions from what was in the beginning of the week, and we have a trend line. I'll do that. Put it in place. And if we drop down to the hour, okay, so bit of a difficult one, this. The higher time frames are saying, we're looking for support off here, which we could have already, but don't like that bar. Then we've got an inside bar, which is not quite on support, I don't think. Oh, it is actually. So it's off that area there. So we've got support off the zone, got a trend line, 15 minutes all over the place as well. Guys, if you'd watch my Forex videos, London breakout strategy, draw a range around price action, and that's up until when the pre-market opens. So let the pre-market finish. So it's that hour before the DAX opens is the pre-market. Then include that in your range. That is your range. Break to the upside, you're looking for a move to the upside. Break to the downside, and it's got to be a close below that on the 15-minute. You're looking for a move to the downside. Now, any move to the downside is going to be messy, to say the least, because every single one of these tails here is going to offer support. So it won't be a solid move as such. So that's kind of the only way I can see this. But on the flip side of this, if we break to the upside, if we get above the high of the morning to the upside, then the high of yesterday's test, to get above that, then we're looking at 14,578. So there's more potential to the upside than there is to the downside because of the mess we've got to the downside here. That's kind of the only way that I can see this playing out right now, is probably going to range until we get a break one way or the other. So it's either a break to the downside of 14,386 as it stands now, or a break to the upside of 14,448. But just draw your block in once you've got that first hour in play on the DAX. So that's from 9 to 10 at the moment, and that's my time, which is South African Standard Time, or GMT +2, or +1 now, well, +2 I think, yeah. So that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. I'll be a bit reluctant to chase shorts just because it's going to be a bit messy, but if we do get a decent break at the upside, then I think we've got some decent upside targets to move. But it is a coin toss day, so if you're not willing to lose money, because there's probably a 50% probability you're going to lose the money that you put down for the trade, then rather keep it in your pocket. Anyway, that's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.